We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
What have we gone through already to get to this point? It's not like 2 hours. LA 2 hours.
In LA for 4, 15 hours in Hong Kong, which was okay.
When I saw the 10 hours left, that was probably the low point.
We're in Hong Kong for 3 hours, so an hour and a half to Manila.
We're here for 6 hours.
By 7, we will arrive in Coron to be picked up by a van that will take us to a boat that will then take us to a houseboat.
We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works. We bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I am
We just came into this lagoon.
You can't come to the Philippines without saying lagoon, like lagoon.
Let's talk about all the cool things that you can do at that houseboat.
Oh my gosh. For one, has all of these kayaks that you can rent. Not even rent,
you just take them.
And snorkel gear, so you can basically just go snorkeling whenever you want.
And there's not just kayaks, there's paddle boards.
Yeah.
There's a pedal board.
And if you see something, you're just like, I want to hit that up.
They
Let's
do
do
these private tours where it's just you and they give you a person to lead you or guide you.
Also, the food is not bad. It's not overpriced.
What are you doing?
I'm moving you over because you keep like turning this way.
Don't make me go underwater.
I'm trying to stay on camera. I wish that you guys could see a picture of this right now because it is stupid.
Oh, I got this.
I got water in my mouth.
I love that houseboat.
I love this water.
I love the Philippines.
I love you.
Hey Paige, should we have this whole beach to ourselves to watch sunset?
It'd be nice.
It's not too shabby.
Cat, smell cat.
Smell that smell.
boom, boom, and hippity zoom.